Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we've got Ghostbusters Ecto 1 issue 27, stages 100, 101 and 102. Obviously I've done the door already. Issue 100 is the trim, then we got the windows to put in, then we got the rear door. Now I'll show you the door that they have sent me. There we have. That's it over the sticker, aren't they? These arms or hands, I'm sure should be straight. So I've been in contact with Eaglemoss with regards to this, asked them for a replacement sticker, and they're sending me, I think, the door again. So hopefully they've stuck it on correct. I did only request a sticker. We'll see what turns up. But in the meantime, we can actually put this together again, because I don't know how difficult it is to replace these, take them off and then reseat them. So I'll experiment when the other one comes. Anyway, so that is all that. Let's get on with the build. Okay, so let's get the parts out. There we go. Right, so that's the frame. And here we have the trims. Right, parts list. Right, rear window frame left skirting, window frame top skirting, window frame right skirting. So we know there's not a great lot to do in this, but it'll look brilliant when it's finished. Now what we need to do is ensure that this curves around there like so. Now I have got this, here we go. Let's see if this does it for me. There we go. Just a roll of cling film. There we go. Let's see if this actually does help out. Now, that needs to be right in the corner. That needs to be there. So I think I need to find something a little bit better to curl that end. Just give us a sec. Okay, so this should suffice. This is just a nut spinner, basically the end of a nut spinner, and that should have enough curvature on it now. Let's try it again. There we go. That should stick nicely into place now, once I've got that back enough. There we go. Right, let's get the back enough. Slip that right into that corner. Like so. And there we go, bend that right round. Excellent, lovely jubbly. I know this isn't the first piece they asked us to put on, but I know this will be, if anything, the more challenging of the pieces, because I know this one goes here like so, and this needs a bit of a bend on it as well. I'll roll this over here. And that, once we've got that stuck down, that should be fine as well. Should go right into the corner there. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Excellent stuff. And then the final piece is here. The easy piece. Excellent. There we go. Showing the overhead. There we go. Excellent stuff. Right, that's issue 100 completed. Okay, so issue 101 that we need now. And here we have, should have another piece of trim. Yep, bit battered. And the windows. Now, I'll just do the trim, and then we'll have to get the car and put the car in place so as we can fit the windows. Now this piece basically goes, let's put it on the close up, just here like so. So let's get the backing off. There we go. That's that piece in place. Excellent. Looking really good. Lovely jubbly. Right, now I need to get the car in place. Okay, now we've got the car in place. Basically the frame goes over here like so. Well, first of all we need to put the windows, our two lovely windows in place. So that one will go here like so, and that one will go there. Now, I could lie this on its side and do it, probably would have been easier to do. There we go. But now we have it in place. There we go. That weren't too difficult, were it, Jim? And now we just need to screw it in place. VM screws along the bottom. Just tap this one in for now. Hold that frame there. Now we can take this one out and get some oil on it. There we go. That looks great there. That trim's fine as well. No damage to them windows. Right, now bear with me, I'll have to get my towel, put this on its side. Okay, now we've got the car on its back. What we need is 1, 2 VP screws here, and then 1, 2, 3 AP screws. So we'll get the VP screws out. just seeing in the bottom. Feel it pulling the frame in anyway. There we go. I'll just move everything to one side and then we can have a proper look. Oh. Get these wires out of the way. There we go. Whoa. Excellent stuff. There we go. That looks gorgeous now. Move these screws out of the way. Let's pick this up to move it around here. There we go. There we go. Final shot. Right, now what I think we might do with the actual rear door, as we've got it. Where did I put it? I put it somewhere. Just give us a sec. Okay, found the door. What I think I might do with this particular part is pop it in some hot water, or even get the hairdryer on it and see if I can just adjust that sticker around, because the one on this side is perfectly alright. Obviously I've not got the door for that one yet, so I'll give that a whirl. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, before I go ahead with my little experiment, let's get the parts out of the bag, haven't we? I've removed the towel and adjusted the cameras again. There we go. Let's have a look at the parts list. One rear door outer handle, one rear door hinge, 2 sets of screws, AM and RM. Right, let's get this door out. There we go. Now, she looks beautiful. Paintwork looks good anyway. Obviously we don't get the inner part of the window. Just need to put the handle on and the hinge. But obviously this is an issue. So rather than just peel it off, as I've seen some people do, I'll probably end up nicking it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to warm it up and see if I can actually move it around. Let's see if that does any good, because I need to remove it anyway, because they're either going to send me a replacement sticker or a replacement door anyway. So bear with me. Okay, so I managed to get the sticker off, but as you can see, it's not very good. It's not gone on very well. There's a foreign object under there, and even though it's straight, they left a mark here where it was indicated where to put his finger, and a mark where his head was to be positioned. Now I managed to get them off, but obviously the sticker's not really survived. You can see these curled edge there, curled edge there. Now obviously I could buy a mod for that, but I'll wait and see what they send me, because I can just peel that back off, clean all the sticky residue underneath and put the other one on in place of it. So anyway, in the meantime, what we can do is fit these parts that they've sent us, and we need M screws and the door handle, which goes just there like so, and one AM screw. I didn't think the sticker would survive. I just used the hairdryer on it. I used to do it years and years ago, replacing stickers on products, and it works a treat. But obviously the sticker rarely ever survives. And I did think about using hot water, but does it really? Can it really get to it to take it off? I don't think so. Once the sticker's been put on, it's very rarely you get the chance to put it back on adequately. Okay, so now what we need is the hinge, Here we have the hinge, and for that we need RM screws, and basically it will go, no, it won't go that way, it'll go, will only go on one way anyway. It will go there like so, and 1, 2 RM screws. Let's get a polishing cloth there. You never know, I might have a spare door out of all of this. Attach that one there. Got a little bit of oil on these screws. It was worth the shot getting the sticker off anyway, because you just never know. And just pop a bit of oil on here. So there we go. That's the door complete. Just needs another sticker. And our hinge is on. Obviously it's static. There we go. That is issues 100, 101 and 102 complete. Excellent stuff. Well, that's a big success. That isn't. I'm not too fussed about the sticker, because obviously it's going to come off and I'm going to put another one on. Either that, I get a complete door. So it was worth having a fiddle with it. Oh, there we go. That will go in there, like so. I'll just pop this round and show you. Just pause this. There we go. There's the back door on. Let's get a bit of a close up. There we go. There's the hinge. There's your hinges way. Now you can see the sticker I'll need. At least it'll come off easily anyway. There we go. Brilliant. Well, that's that for this month. I had a look at my payments as well. Issue 28, I was expecting that today. I know people have been supplied issue 29. I think it was at the weekend, Friday, Saturday. I've not received issue 29, and I noticed that the payment was pending in my account, but now it's disappeared altogether. So I don't know what is exactly happening there. It looks like they've made a bit of a mess up with issue 28 and sent out 29 by mistake. So maybe they're just rolling back that to have a look at what the mistakes are, and then they'll send out issue 28. Well, hopefully that's what they're doing anyway, but like I said, my payment's not come out, so I don't know. Wait and see, I suppose. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Have a look at all my other videos as well, and I'll see you soon. So stay safe and watch yourselves out there. Thanks for watching. Bye. Who are you gonna call?